Greetings, and welcome to the About My Brain Institute podcast, exploring the enchanting realm of the goddesses of the world, oracle cards. In this episode, join us as we delve into the fascinating world of Goddess Lilith, renowned as the Mesopotamian goddess of independence, female empowerment, and mystery. Part 1. Significance of Goddess Lilith. What does Lilith represent in mythology? Welcome to the world of Goddess Lilith, an ancient deity steeped in mysticism and folklore. Lilith holds a significant place in various mythologies and belief systems. Her influence continues to inspire various forms of popular culture. Her enigmatic nature and captivating character make her an enduring figure in contemporary storytelling and artistic expression. Lilith is a symbol of the untamed and wild aspects of femininity, representing a strong-willed and free-spirited woman who refuses to be subservient. Goddess Lilith embodies the powerful feminine archetype, representing rebellion, sexual liberation, independence, mystery, empowerment, resilience, transformation, and the pursuit of personal freedom. Part 2. Archetypal qualities of Lilith. The mysterious feminine power of Goddess Lilith. Goddess Lilith embodies a captivating array of archetypal qualities that have resonated throughout history and mythology. At the heart of her essence lies independence, a fierce and unyielding spirit that defies societal expectations and refuses to be confined. She stands as a symbol of female empowerment, an iconoclast who challenges the patriarchal norms and asserts the inherent strength and wisdom of women. With an aura of mystery surrounding her, Lilith allures and entices, beckoning those who dare to delve into the depths of the unknown. She embodies the enigmatic aspects of femininity, inviting exploration and discovery while veiling her true nature in an air of secrecy. In her archetype, Lilith embraces independence, celebrates female empowerment, and embodies the allure of the unknown, weaving a tapestry of intrigue and fascination that captivates the imagination. Part 3. Symbols associated with Goddess Lilith. The mystical symbols of knowledge, mystery, and power. Goddess Lilith is often associated with the snake, emblematic of knowledge, seduction, and rebirth. The owl, with its nocturnal prowess, which represents Lilith's dominion over the mysteries of the night, and the lion because of her strength, authority, and fierce independence. In some cultures, she is also linked with colors such as black, red, and purple. She is typically depicted as a winged goddess with long flowing hair. Part 4. The story of Goddess Lilith, guardian of the forbidden. Lilith's allure and wisdom. Once upon a time, in a realm of ancient myth and legend, there lived a powerful and enigmatic goddess named Lilith. She was a primordial being of immense beauty, with flowing midnight black hair and eyes that sparkled with both mystery and defiance. Lilith was not content to conform to the expectations placed upon her by the divine order. She longed for independence and refused to be subservient to anyone, including the gods themselves. This rebellious spirit set her apart from the other deities, making her a symbol of freedom and empowerment. In the celestial realm, Lilith's divine presence radiated an aura of seduction and allure. She possessed a captivating charm that enticed both gods and mortals alike. Her energy was electric, drawing others into her orbit, but she remained fiercely autonomous, never allowing herself to be possessed or controlled. As the primordial female demon, Lilith was a guardian of the hidden and forbidden knowledge. She held the keys to the mysteries of the universe and was revered as a guide for those who sought enlightenment and transformation. Many brave souls ventured into the depths of the night, seeking Lilith's wisdom and liberation from societal constraints. Lilith's resilience was unmatched, for she had endured countless attempts to suppress her spirit. Legend spoke of her banishment from the Garden of Eden, a punishment for refusing to bow down to Adam's authority. But instead of succumbing to despair, Lilith embraced her exile as an opportunity to forge her own path and embrace her true nature. In the darkest corners of the world, Lilith's influence spread. She became a beacon of unapologetic strength, encouraging others to reclaim their power and challenge the status quo. Her teachings resonated with those who felt confined by societal norms, urging them to break free and embrace their authentic selves. Through the ages, the story of Lilith echoed in whispers, passed down through generations as a testament to the indomitable spirit of the feminine divine. Her name became synonymous with empowerment, independence, and the transformative power of self-discovery. And so, Goddess Lilith remains an eternal symbol, a reminder that within each of us lies the spark of rebellion, the seductive call for freedom, and the potential for extraordinary transformation. She teaches us to embrace our true essence, to challenge the constraints that bind us, and to illuminate the path to our own liberation. Part 3. Strategies for personal transformation. Tapping into the power of the Lilith archetype. Strategy 1. Embracing shadow work for self-integration. Shadow work refers to the process of exploring and integrating the hidden or unconscious aspects of ourselves, often referred to as the shadow. The concept of the shadow originates from the work of Swiss psychiatrist Carl Jung, who believed that our psyche consists of both conscious and unconscious elements. This strategy involves delving into the depths of one's psyche and bringing to light repressed emotions, fears, and desires. By acknowledging and accepting these shadow aspects, we create space for self-integration and personal growth. Neuroscience research suggests that this process of self-reflection and self-acceptance can lead to neuroplasticity, allowing the brain to rewire itself and form new positive patterns of thinking and behavior. Quantum physics concepts, such as the observer effect, further reinforce the idea that our consciousness and intention play a significant role in shaping our reality. Strategy 2. Cultivating authenticity and self-expression. Lilith represents authenticity and rebellion against societal norms. Inspired by her energy, we can embark on a journey of personal transformation by cultivating authenticity and embracing our unique self-expression. Neuroscience studies have shown that when individuals engage in activities aligned with their authentic selves, there is increased activation in the brain's reward centers, leading to a sense of fulfillment and well-being. Quantum physics principles highlight the interconnectedness of all things, suggesting that by expressing our authentic selves, we contribute to the collective consciousness and create ripples of positive change. Strategy 3. Nurturing intuition and trusting inner guidance. Lilith is associated with intuition and following one's inner guidance. To harness this energy for personal transformation, we can focus on nurturing our intuition and developing trust in our inner voice. Neuroscience studies have highlighted the role of intuition as a valuable decision-making tool, with the brain's intuitive system integrating vast amounts of information outside our conscious awareness. Quantum physics theories, such as non-locality, support the idea that information and guidance can be accessed beyond conventional space and time. By practicing mindfulness, meditation, and deepening our connection to our intuition, we open ourselves to new insights, creative solutions, and profound personal transformation. Part 6. Why it is important to undertake a ritual or visualization. Neuroscience teaches us about the plasticity of our brains, emphasizing the impact of focused intention and repetitive practice on reshaping neural pathways. Moreover, quantum physics suggests that at the fundamental level, everything is composed of vibrating energy fields interconnected in a vast web of potentiality. By engaging in rituals and visualizations, we enter a state of focused intention and coherence, enabling us to connect with the quantum realm and interact with the subtle energies linked to these goddess archetypes. By combining the ancient wisdom of goddess mythology with modern scientific knowledge, we tap into our own transformative power, fostering harmony among our mind, body, and spirit. Ritual steps. Find a quiet and serene area where you feel comfortable and can focus without interruptions. Light a black candle and say a prayer or invocation, respectfully inviting the presence of Goddess Lilith into your ritual. Close your eyes, focus on your breath, and allow your thoughts to settle. Reflect on the aspects of Lilith you wish to embody or seek guidance from. Prepare an offering that resonates with Lilith, such as pomegranate seeds or dark chocolate. Place it in the sacred space you have created. Engage in an activity that allows you to express your authentic self, such as dancing, writing, or painting. Embrace your inner power and let it flow freely. Conclude the ritual by expressing gratitude. Blow out the candle, knowing the energy of this archetype remains within you. A final message, words of wisdom from Lilith. In vulnerability lies strength, and in the darkness you will find your light. Thanks for tuning in. This podcast was brought to you by the About My Brain Institute. For all the freshest updates and exclusive content, make sure to subscribe to our newsletter and give us a follow on our social channels. Until next time, keep those neurons firing, so